10 Must-Have Survival Gear and Gadgets on Amazon 2025. Imagine this. You're miles deep in the wilderness, the wind howling, the temperature dropping, and suddenly, your water supply runs out. You're hungry, you're cold, and you need to make a fire. But it's getting dark fast. Now think about how different this situation would be if you had the right survival gear with you. Survival situations are unpredictable, and being prepared is the key to not just surviving but thriving. In fact, over 300,000 people are rescued every year in the United States alone, many of them due to unexpected outdoor challenges. But what if they had the right tools? Well, good luck, because today we're diving into the top 10 must-have survival gadgets for 2025, all available on Amazon, that will turn you into a survival pro, whether you're tackling a weekend camping trip or finding yourself in an emergency. Sawyer Squeeze Water Filtration System. Let's start with something critical to survival: water. We can last weeks without food, but we can only last a few days without water. That's where the Sawyer Squeeze Water Filtration System comes in. This incredibly compact and lightweight water filter is your best friend when you're out in the wild. With the ability to filter up to 100,000 gallons of water, it ensures that you always have clean drinking water no matter where you are. It's simple to use. Just fill up the included pouch, screw the filter onto it and squeeze. The water comes out filtered and ready to drink. But there's a catch. It's not an automatic process. You'll have to squeeze the pouch yourself, which can be a bit tedious if you're in a rush or dehydrated, but it's worth the effort. Tough Possum Gear Med Pouch. Accidents happen, whether it's a slip and fall while hiking or a scratch from that thorn bush you try to avoid. When the worst happens, having a well-organized first aid kit could be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major emergency. Enter the Tough Possum Gear Med Pouch. This is a rugged, compact, and highly efficient pouch designed to carry all your essential medical supplies. What sets it apart from other med kits is its design: compact, durable, and thoughtfully organized, with clear sections that make it easy to access what you need in an emergency. Inside, you'll find room for a wide range of medical supplies like bandages, antiseptic wipes, trauma shears, and even space for medications you may need. Gransfors Bruck Small Forest Axe. When it comes to survival, one of the most versatile tools you can carry is an axe. But not just any axe, the axe. The Gransfors Bruck Small Forest Axe is a masterclass in craftsmanship and utility. Hand-forged in Sweden, this axe is designed for everything from chopping firewood to clearing brush and even building shelter. The 19-inch handle gives you enough power to chop efficiently, yet it's small enough to be carried easily in your pack. But here's the kicker. It's incredibly well balanced, meaning you'll get more efficiency per swing, saving you energy. But with its long-lasting edge and durable construction, the Gransfors Bruck Small Forest Axe is an investment that will serve you for years to come. It's not just a tool, it's a piece of survival history. Sulco Fast Fire Tinders. Starting a fire is one of the most essential survival skills, but it's also one of the trickiest in harsh conditions. Whether you're dealing with damp wood, rain, or wind, getting a fire going can be the difference between warmth and misery. This is where the Sulco Fast Fire Tinders come in. These tinders are specifically designed to light easily and burn long, making them ideal for even the most challenging conditions. Made from high-quality, lightweight material, these tinders catch fire quickly with just a spark from a ferro rod or lighter. They can even burn while wet, which is a game-changer if you're stuck in a storm. But it's not just about getting the fire started, it's about keeping it going. The Fast Fire Tinders burn hot enough to get your kindling up and running, and with a burn time of several minutes, they give you plenty of time to build up your fire. Bic Classic Lighter. Sometimes, the simplest tools are the most reliable, and the Bic Classic Lighter is the unsung hero of survival kits. Sure, it might not have the advanced features of some high-tech fire-starting tools, but this lighter is one of the most dependable items in your survival gear. Whether you're lighting a fire, cooking your food, or signaling for help, the Bic Classic is a must-have. It's small, lightweight, and works every time. In fact, this lighter is often seen as the go-to fire starter for many survivalists because of its affordability and reliability. A Sabre 13-in-1 Survival Gear and Equipment. When you're packing for a survival situation, the more multifunctional tools you can fit into your pack, the better. The Sabre 13-in-1 Survival Gear and Equipment is one of the most versatile pieces of survival gear on the market. This tool has a whopping 13 functions, including a fire starter, whistle, knife, compass, and even a flashlight. With this gadget, you'll have everything you need to survive in one compact package. The Saber is especially handy for those who like to travel light, but want to make sure they're equipped for any situation. It's made of high-quality, durable materials, meaning it will stand up to the rigors of outdoor survival. However, the trade-off is that, while it has a lot of features, it doesn't necessarily excel in any one area. Poaco 13-in-1 Multi-Tool. If versatility is the name of the game, then the Poaco 13-in-1 Multi-Tool is an essential item to include in your survival kit. This multi-tool combines everything you might need into one sleek portable device. With functions like a knife, pliers, screwdrivers, bottle opener, and even a fish scaler, the Poaco 13-in-1 covers all the bases. Whether you need to fix equipment, prepare food, or defend yourself, this tool has you covered. One of the best things about this multi-tool is its compact size. It's easy to carry, and it doesn't take up much space in your pack. Trendoops Winter Gloves. When you're out in the cold, whether you're in the snow-covered mountains or just enduring a frigid winter hike, one of the worst things to experience is frozen fingers. That's where the Trendoops Winter Gloves come into play. These gloves are designed to keep your hands warm and functional in even the most extreme cold. Made with a thick insulated lining and water-resistant material, they provide the perfect balance between warmth and dexterity. The best part? These gloves are touchscreen compatible, so you won't have to take them off every time you need to use your phone or GPS device. However, while they're excellent for cold weather, they might not offer the same level of protection in extreme conditions like snowstorms or sub-zero temperatures. Blucher Rechargeable Flashlight. Every survivalist knows that when the sun goes down, things get tricky. That's why having a reliable flashlight in your kit is non-negotiable. The Blucher Rechargeable Flashlight is a powerful, high-efficiency flashlight that uses LED technology to provide bright, long-lasting illumination. With a beam distance of over 200 meters, you can light up your surroundings for miles, making it ideal for navigating in the dark. The flashlight is also rechargeable, meaning you don't have to worry about running out of batteries. Just plug it in after use, and you're good to go. Gutineau Rechargeable Hand Warmer. If you've ever been caught in a cold snap without proper gear, you know just how miserable it can be. Enter the Gutineau Rechargeable Hand Warmer, a must-have for cold weather survival. This compact, rechargeable device provides hours of warmth, ensuring your hands stay toasty, even in freezing temperatures. It's easy to use, with a simple button to activate the heat, and it's rechargeable, which means you don't have to deal with disposable hand warmers that only last for a short time. The best part? It can also be used as a power bank to charge your devices, making it a 2-in-1 survival tool. However, it's important to remember that while the Gutineau is a great way to keep your hands warm, it's not a substitute for proper clothing and layering when dealing with extreme cold. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.